Ever wondered how your favorite pistachios make their way from the orchard to your snack bowl? It's not just farming, it's science, technology, and a touch of desert magic. Pistachio harvesting was once an exhausting, labor-intensive process, but today, cutting-edge machinery has transformed it into a marvel of efficiency and precision. Join us as we dive into the world of modern pistachio harvesting, where advanced technology meets nature to bring you the perfect pistachio every time. Why harvesting pistachios is no simple task. Harvesting pistachios is no small feat. These nuts are delicate, with a brief harvesting window. If they aren't picked at just the right moment, their quality can degrade or, worse, the nuts could fall to the ground and spoil. Traditional methods of hand-picking and manually shaking the trees were painstakingly slow and labor-intensive. But today, technology has changed everything, revolutionizing pistachio harvesting in ways unimaginable just a few decades ago. The science behind pistachio ripening. Pistachios are unique in the nut world, with a fascinating natural process that signals they're ready for harvest. When a pistachio ripens, its shell undergoes a process called dehiscence. This is when the shell splits open slightly, revealing the prized nut within. This split, known as the smile, shows that the nut is ready to be harvested. But timing is everything too early, and the nut hasn't developed fully, too late, and quality can suffer. Farmers and scientists alike study this split closely, relying on it to time the harvest perfectly. Challenges in traditional pistachio harvesting. For centuries, pistachios were picked by hand. Workers would walk among the rows of trees, using long sticks to shake the branches, or, in some cases, plucking each nut individually. This method was incredibly labor-intensive, requiring large teams of workers and days of effort just to harvest a single orchard. With pistachios being one of the more delicate nuts, there was always a risk of damaging the nuts or leaving some behind. Traditional harvesting also posed a high risk of injury to workers who had to climb or reach high branches. All these challenges underscored the need for a more efficient, safe, and less laborious method. Enter the tree shaker. Enter the tree shaker, a game-changer for pistachio farmers everywhere. This impressive machine has transformed the pistachio industry by using vibration technology to make harvesting faster, safer, and more efficient. With precise engineering, the tree shaker is designed to grip the tree's trunk and deliver gentle, controlled vibrations that shake the ripe pistachios free from the branches, allowing them to fall onto collection nets below. This method is far less physically demanding for workers, and it speeds up the process significantly, allowing an entire orchard to be harvested in just a few days. How tree shaker technology works. But how exactly does the tree shaker work? The machine grips the trunk of the tree and applies a carefully calibrated amount of vibration, enough to loosen only the ripe pistachios without damaging the branches or the tree itself. Engineers and scientists have designed the shaker's frequency and strength to target only the nuts that have undergone the natural splitting process. This precision is essential because it prevents unripe nuts from falling, which would otherwise reduce the yield and quality. It's a perfect blend of biology and technology where science and nature come together in harmony. The advantages of tree shakers. The introduction of tree shakers has brought multiple benefits to the pistachio industry. Firstly, the process is much faster. What once took days of strenuous labor can now be done in a fraction of the time. A single tree shaker can harvest hundreds of trees per day, reducing labor costs and allowing farmers to focus on other tasks. Secondly, it's safer for workers, as they no longer have to climb trees or exert themselves for hours on end. The controlled shaking also minimizes the chance of tree damage, meaning healthier trees and better harvests year after year. The role of collection and sorting machinery. Once the tree shaker has done its job, the pistachios still need to be gathered, transported, and processed. This is where additional machinery comes into play. Automated collection machines scoop up the fallen pistachios and transport them to the processing area. Here, conveyor belts and sorting machines take over, ensuring that the nuts are cleaned, sorted, and readied for further processing. This machinery is designed to handle large volumes of pistachios, maximizing efficiency and minimizing manual labor. ensuring quality through technology. In the processing facility, optical sorting machines use advanced imaging technology to examine each pistachio. These machines are equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors that detect even the smallest imperfections. Pistachios with cracks, discoloration, or other defects are removed, leaving only the best quality nuts for packaging. Optical sorting not only speeds up the sorting process, but also ensures that consumers receive only the freshest, highest quality pistachios. Thanks to this technology, pistachio farmers can maintain consistent quality, meeting strict industry standards and consumer expectations. Environmental benefits of modern harvesting machines. Modern pistachio harvesting isn't just about efficiency, it's also about sustainability. Today's machines are designed to reduce the environmental impact of farming. Many orchards are now using solar-powered machinery and sustainable practices to lower their carbon footprint. By minimizing human labor and streamlining harvesting, the machinery reduces fuel consumption and emissions. Additionally, the tree shaker's precision ensures that trees aren't harmed, supporting the long-term health of the orchard and making pistachio farming more sustainable for future generations. The future of pistachio harvesting. Looking ahead, the future of pistachio harvesting is promising. Researchers and engineers are developing even more advanced technologies, including robotics and AI-driven machinery. Imagine autonomous harvesters that can independently navigate orchards, assess ripeness, and harvest pistachios without human intervention. Artificial intelligence is also being explored to help predict the optimal harvest time based on environmental data, ensuring farmers get the best possible yield each season. This level of precision and automation could reshape pistachio farming entirely, making it more efficient and sustainable than ever. How technology impacts the cost and quality of pistachios for consumers. All of these technological advancements ultimately benefit you, the consumer. By reducing labor and improving efficiency, these machines help to keep costs down, making pistachios more affordable and accessible. Quality control through optical sorting means that you're getting pistachios of the highest quality every time. So, the next time you open a bag of pistachios, remember the incredible journey they've taken from advanced machinery in the orchards to high-tech sorting facilities, all to deliver the perfect snack to your hands, bringing pistachios from farm to table. From the ancient art of handpicking to today's high-tech machinery, the journey of pistachio harvesting is a testament to human ingenuity. Science and technology have revolutionized the way we harvest pistachios, making the process faster, safer, and more sustainable than ever. The journey of pistachios, from farm to table, is a remarkable story of innovation, efficiency, and dedication. The next time you enjoy a handful of these delicious nuts, remember the incredible journey they've taken from the orchards to advanced machinery, all to bring the best pistachios to your table. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you'd like to see more stories of innovation shaping our world.